In reference to making your hair fuller, but in a safe and healthy and easy way, why did I write my last book about to stop additional hair loss? Because in our industry, and I've been in the industry for over 35 years, there's many ways of making your hair fuller, although the problem is all the ways of making your hair fuller, all of them, they cause additional hair loss. That concerned me. I don't want to create additional hair loss. I want to keep the existing hair and just feed more hair in between the existing hair. That's why I invented the microstrand, a translucent sort of web that upon contact of the scalp disappears. And then I took a microscopic tip apparatus and fed one hair at a time onto that same microstrand, so that way I'm duplicating or replicating the way hair grows out of the head. Hair grows out of the head one hair at a time. I'm going to add one hair at a time onto this. So when this is customized and blended in between your own hair, it's going to disappear. And it's going to be a combination of all your own hair. You're going to use all your own hair. Now you're just going to feed hair in between it one hair at a time. Do you realize how much more natural that looks and feels? Do you realize if you run your fingers down to your scalp, you feel your scalp as if nothing is there? That's a major advancement. So please think about this and remember, hair can be added anywhere. Just in the front hairline, just in the whole front hairline, the whole head, just the top, one area of the top, anywhere with any hair condition. Remember that, please.